Hello everyone, this is Pooja and I'm working as a training coordinator at SAP Netizens. Today we are going to discuss about the SAP CPS Redwood training and how this SAP Netizens deal with this course and what are the queries you have and how can you register for this course. Before going in detail about the SAP CPS Redwood training, let's have an overlook about the SAP Netizens. SAP Netizens creates a innovative training solutions when it comes to provide online training in varied SAP functional models. Our subject matter experts helps train in all aspects of IT industry technically and bringing awareness to enrolls by guiding them with our technical advanced team by providing online training to make everyone top class competitors to get well established in their required firm. Our online courses includes training in all latest and complex SAP functional models, and most complex ERP systems can be made easier to understand and explore new technologies. Our special SAP training classes includes extensive training on all models that are present in SAP functional side only. Our trainers are certified professionals of their performed field and are considered as experts of their domains. The training provided by them is in the most interactive and virtual way, which makes it even most easier to understand things much easier through their tried and tested interactive training methods. Now let us move on to the introduction about the SAP CPS Red. It is an event-driven process automation and scheduling tool, and it can provide the following facilities: event-driven process automation, asynchronous workload management, and complex process flows, business-driven schedules, workload routing and loading balancing, monitoring and managing present and future workload history, logging and editing of previously exceeded work. Next, move on to the SAP CPS Redwin online training course content that we are going to completing in our training process. Firstly, we discussed our introduction to the SAP CPS Redwood and CPS Redwood concepts and architectures and the toolbars and navigations, Redwood job scheduling, submit and frames, time windows, time zones, jobs, queues and process servers, creating job definitions, job definition types, job definition parameters, job definition advanced processing, and resources and logs, typical job states, events logs. Next, job chains, creating job chains with sequential and parallel jobs, submitting jobs and job chains. These topics we are covering in our training process. Well, now move on to the overview for the CPS Redwood. CPS Redwood training course is designed to give knowledge, identify the architecture and components of SAP CPS and job scheduling with SAP Central Process Scheduling by Redwood. After this course, participants able to set up SAP CPS and perform first steps in SAP CPS familiar to how to log on to the first time, how to navigate in SAP CPS and how to set up an isolation group and how to create an SAP system within an isolation group and set up an isolation group and SAP system definitions. Next, we want to the what is SAP CPS Redwood? CPS Redwood provides landscape-wide real-time event and time-driven job scheduling in application server app for the SAP NetWeaver. It enables process automations by managing all background processes that involve one or more applications across the whole system landscape. And CPS is event-driven process automation and scheduling tool with asynchronous workload management, routing, and load balancing of complex process flows. And this SAP CPS provides extended SAP as well as non-SAP support. When a feature is not available, it usually means that you do not have required licensed item. If you are unsure of the features that have been licensed to you, SAP Rental Processing Scheduling a real-time and a event-driven workload automation solution, and it can provide seamless integrations with SAP and non-SAP applications, and it provides integration with SAP systems management and environment, aligns IT processes to business needs. And the features for the SAP CPS report: central user interface and the central point of the control over the central process scheduling infrastructure is designed for both administrations and business users, and it allows business users to schedule, submit and monitor all job in an LAN space. Administrations to centrally manage SAP CPS and the whole central process scheduling LAN space. And the implementation of the how to implement the SAP CPS resume. Let us have a look. SAP CPS is suitable for automating the execution of the simple or complex business process that comprise multiple steps and involve various ABAP applications across the system landscape. And it can extend event-driven processes automation, and it can implement business-driven schedules. Then we want to maximize the degree of utilization of system resources and automate synchronous as well as the asynchronous workload management and maximize the workload routing and load balancing and monitor and manage present and future workloads, reduce the number of human errors resulting from the manually completed tasks. Simple as well as complex process flows are executed faster. Extend history loggings and auditing of previously executed work. The architecture for the SAP CPS. SAP CPS Redwood training, you will see how SAP CPS has got a unique feed to the peer communications between the SAP applications and SAP CPS Redwood. It does not allow third-party scheduling products. It allows immediate and direct integration between SAP business applications and schedule infrastructures. It has two tiers, namely client tier and the server tier. The client tier has got the zero footprint user interface, and the web browser, Internet Explorer, and Mozilla Firefox are supported. Windows and various Unix platforms are supported. And the repository is installed same NetWeaver database. It means there is no need to have additional extra database. It provides storage on all job definitions, calendars, environment, and security. The CPS also provides up-to-the-date operational information. This is about the SAP CPS Redwood. Before ending up the sessions, let us have a overlook about the SAP CPS Redwood web page. Here, this is the web page for the SAP CPS Redwood. Here you can find the introduction and course content and all the details about the SAP CPS Redwood. Here you can directly request a demo with your details and send to us, or else you can directly leave a message with your details and send to us, or else you can directly reach us at www.sapnetizens.com/SAPCPS Redwood online training. You can email us at sapnetizens@gmail.com and directly call us at 8812102066. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us. Have a good day.